NASCAR is a very competitive sport. Our life is judged off of fractions of a second. We live and die by the stopwatch.
Half pound out that right rear, 4 tires there. 5, 4, 3. Start turning in, hit your side. Clean the grill, guys. Get out, go, 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 go. One lane. Beats 43 right there.
Throughout practice, you'll make various changes to the race car, but the biggest thing that we use is just any communication tools we can.
We're a little free in when I drive it in deep, a little tight right in the center, then we're a little free off of 4. I think the track bar needs to come up a little bit for this deal.
Before we had the TRD Trackside app, the driver and crew chief communication was limited to verbal communication. The driver would actually have to come in off the track, park in the garage stall, drop his window net, take his helmet off. The crew chief would go to the window, and they would have a verbal conversation about what the driver was feeling and what the crew chief was seeing.
It took a lot longer to go over everything, and there's always that margin of error. With the new surface and the TRD app, being able to take notes on it and just speed up the communication between myself and the crew chief to make changes to get back out on the racetrack faster. With as big as the racetracks are, it's easy to misunderstand where cars are doing different things, so being able to pinpoint that really helps.
Alex Bowman doing a nice job here.
You can take the surface and you can stick it in the window and show it to him.
Right there, you need to be there.
He can see how fast he ran, and he can see how many laps he's run, how fast he run in that amount of time.
That's the speed that they're running. We need about 210.
What we found with the Surface tablet and the Trackside app is that we've been able to get more runs on the racetrack and learn more and try more things.
With our new surfaces and the things that we do with Windows, it just makes us have more time on the racetrack. We're not racing as much in the garage to get on the racetrack.
At Texas, when we got the pole, I think the TRD Trackside app on the Surface really helped us having faster communication.
The TRD Trackside app was definitely a contributor to us being able to win our first pole.
Here's Alex Bowman, the super rookie this year.
Yeah, this kid here has been very impressive.
With Alex being a rookie driver, I believe throughout the practice session that we were able to maximize our on-track time, and every run that we made counted.
Free on throttle, getting off the corner, a little bit free in. Alex, great job so far.
There's been a lot of improvement in the efficiency of our practice sessions through the TRD Trackside app. In a sport where performance is measured in fractions of a second, every little bit we can find matters.